Do you want to discover how to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, recording any videos, or making any videos? I know it sounds crazy, but my name is Matt Parr and I run 9 different YouTube channels and I make money on YouTube without ever showing my face. And I put together this program called Tube Secrets, which reveals my exact step-by-step blueprint for doing this correctly. Within Tube Secrets, you're going to discover how to choose a niche and some of the best niches on YouTube, how to actually make and optimize your YouTube channel. A lot of people talk about optimizing their videos, but this shows you how to actually optimize your channel, which is really important. It reveals how to generate and upload videos without ever showing your face or getting behind a camera. I'm going to reveal to you how to optimize YouTube videos to get millions of views. And most importantly, I'm going to reveal how to make money on YouTube and potentially make up to 10 times more money than most YouTubers. So if you want to join Tube Secrets, simply click the button directly below this video and you can get yourself enrolled. Now, a little bit about me. My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels. I've gotten over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, and I run multiple different channels with over 100,000 subscribers each. And I want to make one thing really clear. It wasn't always like this. In fact, just a couple of years ago, I was a completely broke high school student who had no idea what I wanted to do with my life. And when I say broke, I mean I was literally broke, but I knew one thing. I knew I didn't want to work in a 9-to-5 job for the rest of my life. And I knew this was possible. I saw people on YouTube living their dream lives, being able to make a ton of money from the platform, and I knew this was possible. Now, at the time, I did have a YouTube channel, and I just uploaded a bunch of random gaming videos, videos with my friends, stuff like that, until I came across a YouTube channel that uploaded videos where they didn't even show their face. They literally just used other people's videos, but made it transformative and made it fair use and did a voiceover on top of the videos. And these videos seemed so easy to generate. So you know what I did? I took this really crappy iPhone that I had. I would record videos with my super high-pitched squeaky voice. I would edit the videos together on my laptop and I would upload them on to YouTube. Through trial and error, I discovered what works and what doesn't, and I doubled down on what works. And then eventually I wanted to scale, so I hired a team to produce the content for me on those channels, and that's how I've been able to now run 9 different YouTube channels without ever showing my face or making any videos, and I'm able to make over $30,000 a month in just ad revenue, over $1,000 a day just from ad revenue. So you can either try to go out and do this all yourself, learn through trial and error of years doing this, or you can straight up discover what works from someone who's already done this time and time again. So if you want to discover how to do this the right way, I've broken down this entire process into this program, Tube Secrets. And Tube Secrets is my proven blueprint for doing this the right way. So if you want to get started with Tube Secrets and get started doing this immediately, then click the button below this video on this page, and I'd love to get started working with you if you want to work with me. And I can't wait to show you this really unique method that's completely transformed my life, so hopefully it can transform yours too. Now, while I can't guarantee that it'll transform your life or that you'll make any money with YouTube or that you'll get over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, what I can guarantee you is that you're going to be discovering the same exact tactics that I personally use within my YouTube business and that all of my most successful students have used. And how do I know? Because they went through this exact program. So I'd love to invite you to join the program if you want to discover the right way of doing this for sure. So I'd love to see you inside Tube Secrets. Just click the button below to get yourself registered. I can't wait to see you inside. My name is Matt Parr, and I'll see you within Tube Secrets.